Welcome to my channel. How to set up ASUS Wi-Fi range extender with ASUS app easy method. Step 1. Plug in the ASUS extender. Insert your ASUS Wi-Fi range extender into a power outlet near your router and turn it on. Step 2. Wait for power light. Wait until the power LED becomes stable, not blinking. Step 3. Download ASUS app. Install the ASUS router app from Google Play Store or App Store. Step 4. Connect to extender network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the ASUS extender's default network, example, ASUS_Ext. Step 5. Open the ASUS app. Launch the app and allow all required permissions. Step 6. Tap Setup or Add Device. In the app, choose Set up a new device or Add Extender option. Step 7. Select Repeater mode. Choose Repeater mode, Range Extender mode, when prompted. Step 8. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Select your main Wi-Fi network, SSID, that you want to extend. Step 9. Enter Wi-Fi password. Enter your Wi-Fi password and confirm the settings. Step 10. Finish setup and test. Wait for setup to complete. Once connected, place the extender midway between router and weak signal area, then test internet speed. Bonus tip: for best performance, place the extender where you still get at least 50% Wi-Fi signal from the router. Thanks for watching.